Kumar. I am coming from Kamareddy. I am running this business around 7 to 8 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, sir, in the last 7 to 8, so you have a which oil marketing company is it?
Yeah. Now HPCL and IOCL.
Okay, so you have two OMCs. Okay.
Two OMCs are
Okay. So, sir, how has the petrol pump market particularly changed in the last 7-8 years?
Yeah, of course, the previously market was different. Nowadays, different. At the previously market, comparing to this time, is the market was increased. At the same time, the consumption is also increased and the competition is also increased. Why? Because previously the customer is searching for the outlet. Now the outlet is searching for the customer.
Right. So, sir, again, I would want to ask you that 7 years ago, when you started this business. So, sir, you full time you run the petrol pump?
Yeah, of course.
Yes. So, madam, sir, so today, if I talk to you, so how does typically your day look like? Like, what do you do?
So for the daily DSR, density, main task is the boys.
Okay.
Boys is the task, but here I didn't get the solution for the boys. But another one is okay. Main the task is the credit customers and the supply, so everything.
Okay. So, but the credit customers you say because you have to follow up with them a lot for the payment, or
Yeah,
like why?
of course. Follow up is also very important for the filling of the their tanks is the first thing. First for the searching the customers, and then after for the recovery of the money.
Okay. So first you have trouble searching for the right customer.
Yeah, of course.
Then you supplying them is okay. And then getting paid for your own
Yeah.
services is another challenge for
Yeah,
you.
that's it.
Okay. So, sir, overall, how did you find today's session? I mean, I just want to have a very strong, raw opinion of how was today's
It is
session.
a very fine. Why? Because searching the customer is okay. But if our credit customer is converted to the repos pay, it is very helpful to us. Why? Because our sales and the revenue was not disturbed. So that is a fine thing. That thing is I identified, and that is a very happy to hear. And at the same time, one more thing, the customer is also happy. Why? Because, for example, the customer is used just like nowadays the credit card is a lot of common thing for every customer. So, if he is using this repo cards, he is not able to even single rupee in 15 days. That is very helpful to the customer. So, that is also it is a considerable word. Why? Because today I supplied the product and will get the money tomorrow, just like the Paytm or the PhonePe like that.
Yes.
And the customer is also today he will take the product, he will pay the 16th day. That is very sound to hear, happy to the customer also. Both are the happy.
Right.
If
So repos pay you would say is like a win-win situation for both.
yeah, of course, 100%.
Right. So, sir, so what part of business today that you do runs on credit? How has the sales been? I mean, so far, if you can just
So
give
in
us
the
a range.
filling station business, the increase the value means we need the credit customers.
Okay.
So that is the only thing.
Okay. So if you want to grow your petrol pump today, you need to give credit to people.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's not possible. Why? Because he is, for example, he is taking the 1,000 liter, 2,000 liter. The money will be not generated in a single day to the customer also. For example, the borewells, the construction, or whatever. He need the investment. So that the running of their work, the diesel is the requirement. So their business highest amount is invested for the diesel also.
Okay. So, and lastly, sir, I just have a couple of. So today, so you understood a lot about technology.
Yeah, of course,
as
the
well,
technology
right?
is also very fine.
Yes.
Why? Because it is a on-time requirement. On time, the repo will be get the requirement and place the order in time, the supply, and that time. For example, now I am here. The system will be do the what their work.
Yes.
So that is fine. For example, in some occasion or some best thing or the bad thing, it will be happen for the every human being. So it's the system will be do the what the going on. So business will be run smoothly.
Okay.
That is also
So,
best thing.
So do you think this actually can be the future of petrol pumps?
Of course, but okay, it's maybe.
Okay. Right. So, sir, one last question. Like, if you were to talk to, let's say, a fellow petrol pump dealer, would you recommend that they come here, they get to know more about what is happening in the fueling industry?
Yeah, you are asking the right question. If I am interested, I am not giving the chance to the fellow petrol pump nearby.
Right.
By I prefer the some more 50 kilometers, 60 kilometers far only. I able to.
Yes.
I am asking. I am saying friendly. It's not possible to give the near one.
Absolutely.
And now also get some clarity from the Mohan. For the repo customer is mapping to the one dealer. It's possible to the only the dealer is supplied to the.
Yes.
Yeah. So that
sir,
is
as
also.
soon as yes.
Yeah, that.
So sir, the thing that we do, so when we introduce the repos datum to you, so if your customer has a repos datum at their site, every liter of fuel that they dispense from that datum will come from your fueling vehicle only.
Yeah, that is okay. Somewhat.
And of
better.
course, sir, because if obviously if today you get to increase your sales, so sir, there is a very common notion, that is associated. Petrol pump dealers are thieves, or they don't fuel properly, or they should short fueling or anything. But what I have understood from this, and I would want to know your opinion as well, that if we get a way to run the business sustainably, okay, where we don't have to pay money out of our own pocket, and it's sustainable to run. We also want to provide good services.
Yeah, of course.
Right? So because of that, so essentially repos will enable you to do that. Okay, but the only thing is guaranteed quality and quantity.
Yeah.
Yes, because that is how the industry works. Yes. So sir, I definitely look forward. I have never been to the place you're from. So I am basically from the marketing team.
Okay.
So when the cameraman, the Shreyas, is also from the marketing team itself.
Okay.
So we learn a lot while we talk to customers.
Of
right?
course.
Because if I want
If
to
the
reach,
discussion will be happen, then only we'll get some ideas,
Yes.
and we'll get some solution, and also we get some questions, and we'll get some answers.
Yes, exactly. So if I want to reach not one, not 100, not thousands of people like you, I need to understand what you are feeling. I need to understand what hurts you the most. And that is what we are trying to solve here at Repos. So thank you so much for talking to me, sir.
Okay.
I hope that you become a Repos customer.
Okay.
I hope that I am able to come to you 6 months later and take a testimonial of yours. Okay, sir, that day we spoke, today how are you feeling?
Okay.
Yes?
Definitely.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Ushanga.
Ushagra. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Right.
sir. Yes.